Glory to Ukraine, glory to brave Ukrainian army, we will definitely win. Today I'd like to show you and share my impressions about rose Hypnose. This is originally, as far as I know, originally florist rose, but it is successfully grown in our private gardens, and I must admit, although it is florist, it impressed me a lot and left a lot of positive impressions about itself. It grows the second season in my garden, and it was planted in autumn 20, so I see it's flowering for the second season, and it flowers for the whole season in distinct two waves. And both of the waves, they are pretty generous. One difference which I noticed is that during the first wave, it has flowers. I mean, a color palette of flowers. It has shades of green, and as of me, I would characterize this color and color palette as more cold tones, more cold palette, more cold green. But for the next wave, for the second wave, which happens during August and close at August, it became and it colors and palette of some golden appears. And I think you will notice this even during the video. But nevertheless, I like the colors of it during the whole season. And I like the combination of color by itself, because I also grow, for example, Mocha Rosa and Luviana to combine them because of their color composition. And this rose, Hypnose, it has these two colors in one bush, in one flower. Flower is long-lasting, without smell or pretty light fragrance, just usual rose fragrance. And life of the flower is long, and as on the bush, and I suppose in vase, it will be the same long as on the bush. It will not lose its decorativeness for ages. So I must admit that it is great for different aims, as in the private garden, the same for different floristics. It has pretty good resistance to diseases. It may have some mildew and some black spot, but pretty not so deep, and not so serious one. And now you see that palette tone, it is changed. It's much more warmer than it was previously. Must admit that I like it very much, and it's impressed me. Would be grateful in case you share your impressions about this flower. Thanks and bye.